Okay, this is just a little update on what I've been up to. Haven't made a video in a while, just been, well, occupied on other stuff. Figured come out and do a video. Nothing's really happening with the Civic right now. Still waiting to get that into the program I'm in that builds them. Just figured I'd do a little update while the batteries, this car, the Toyota Tercel, well, the battery just died because I've been listening to music in it and haven't really had it running, so the battery died, and just boosted it and figured to run it for a bit. But I'll show you what I've been working on. This, it's a 1997 BMW 318 Ti, 1.9 liter dual overhead cam. I think it has a blown head gasket, maybe a cracked block, but I don't think so. It's showing signs of more of a blown head gasket. Started on this yesterday, got the throttle body off. Right now I'm moving the manifold, battery cage, air intake, radiator is gone, radiator fan, just a bunch of stuff I removed. Rad fan, plastics, small stuff. And then, hold on, let me just prop this up because the shock are pretty done. But this is the throttle body anyways, with a bit of intake, the intake manifold. Just want to show you something cool. This shit, just the intake, this intake part is this piece is for idling, and then when you hit the gas, this one opens up. Showing my battery's low, so I'm gonna end this video. I'll keep you updated about it, whatnot. Okay, Jim Chowder out.